Yeah, good morning, everyone. This is Sports Signal Academy. We are here again today. So today we'll be looking at the indices SPX500. That's some people call it UX 500 as well. So it's an indices, and I believe many of us know SPX500 on each of our broadcasts. So what we are going to look to today is looking at a special trend on our SPX 500 that has been coming over the week, and we can see a very volatile market coming up. So this one now is 19th of July. You can see 19th of July we see a very bearish signal which get to the point of uh um come so if you check it, it is around so this is it. The trend stop at 42.33.5, then give us a bullish sales again and continue rising up to that is around, let's check it. Sorry. So you can see it, that's around 44.4417.5. So that's from 44 42.33 rise up to 44.17. So what are we going to pick out of this signal, out of this trend? Already we have the support line here, and if you're looking at the trend, it's giving us a very straightforward trend. You can see on the 26th, after getting to 44.17, the trend went back here at um that was around 43.84.6, and then continue to rise again down to 44.26.3. So that means the trade has formed an an edge here. So and then probably back on 28th, you can see the trend fall back to 43.74.1, and then it took back again and balanced at 44.31.7, which means the trending is giving us a very buy a bearish and bullish trend, which is going constantly. And yet again, on 30th of August, on 30th of August, the trend went back here to balance on 43 43.79, and then pick up on the 2nd of August and balance at 44.28.8. And here today is 3rd of August. We have the signal right here so far, 44.04.5. Mind you, if you are to call on this trend and decide what is going on here, since we have our support line here, and what will be that resistance? Let's put our resistance. So this resistance is going to put our resistance here. So You just don't make a mistake. So you can see on our markets, uh, at the point of our resistance is at the point of I'm coming. Let me show us our so it's at the point of 44.2022. So and then we have to experience a breakthrough of a support line that was on the 29th of July. So we saw a breakthrough to our resistance line down to 44.31, and then on the 2nd of August as well, we experienced a breakthrough to 44.28 as well. So now we're going to remove our resistance line will no longer be here again, whereby our support line will not be here again as well. So our new resistance line will be at this point. Yes. So our new resistance line is here, which letting us know that the market cannot break forth more than that. And if you look at let's look at the 1 day time frame, 1 day time frame and the 1 hour trend. So you can see what I'm saying here right now. So our trend line is going to be something around here. So our trend, our what's it called, our resistance line will be there. Why the support line we put in here. So our support line is still active, and you see that the on our support line now, the trending is touching it once, has touched it once. If you look here now, you see that uh, the trend stopped at 43 43.79 and then went back up, and then as well if you check this side as well, 43.85, and then we went back up, which means we're expecting the trade to touch this support line and even break through it. So what are we expecting now? Because uh, looking at my analysis now, the trade can no longer go beyond where it is now. What I mean is the trade now cannot cannot go to this resistance line again. Do you get my point? As at now, so which means we're expecting a big bearish signal right now. We're expecting a big bearish trend, and which means we're taking order a sell order. And then if you look at you know a trend, if you look at this trend, you're going to see we have what's it called, we have something we call, this is the C, 'cause. 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 'Cause So if you look at it now, you are going to see that this thing is forming like a triangle. The trend forms like a triangle, going up and coming down, going up and coming down. So at least it form it up to 1, 2, and 3 places where you can see that now. So now on SPX 500 USD, we believe that we are having a big bearish trend. We're going to have a big bearish trend, which is going to the sell, push us to put the sell order, to place a sell order on our trades. So prior to my analysis, let's put up the forecast. Let's put a forecast and let's see how correct the signal is. So this is it. This is it. Yeah, accurate. Which our forecast now give us success that we are going to experience a bearish trade, a bearish signal in this uh, analysis. So this is how I discover my own analysis, and basically I use this for indices and gold. Most time I don't use them for uh, currency pairs, but I use them for indices and gold, and it works fine. It works fine. At least here now we're expecting, uh, you know, we're expecting. Let's look at it. So this is it now. So if we are expected to put up a sell order, we begin to pick our sell order at 43.99.8, and then we're going to sell at 43.74.2. Quiet is not, you know, a big deal. And always remember to put stop loss. If we were to put the stop loss, that would be 44.10.2. So in this market now, is, we are actually having a straightforward analysis. The XPS 500 is going to give us a bearish, impulse, a bearish trade in the next 2 6 hours. Get my point? So after touching the support line and breakthrough, I expect a new growth, a new bullish growth. So I hope you enjoy this class, and I believe you're going to learn with me on how to analyze trading. And mind you, make sure you know everything about risk management, because that is very, very compulsory and important. You get my point? Very compulsory and important. As a trader, you must know how to manage risk. You must learn your risk management. You must not overtrade, and you must be able to control your losses and your profits. And I believe uh, as the class go forward, we're going to gain a lot from this academy. I really appreciate you for joining us. Thank you very much, and God bless you.